100 Brits versus 100 Americans.
It to you.
Hands only.
Who counts you? Bro, all the burps could do is talk shit. That's it.
This is the burps.
I think it's the burps.
The British people?
That's like saying.
Why are you calling them burps?
Because that's like saying beaner
Right?
for Mexican.
Is it not what you call them? The burps?
This is burps.
What, you mean the Brits?
Oh yeah, the Brits.
On to nothing,
Well,
bro. Like, actually,
Dude, this is why you're losing.
The strongest
The
man
strongest man
is
is
from
from
the
the
UK.
UK. Okay, that's only one person,
And
buddy.
his name is Eddie
And his name is
Hall.
Eddie Hall. Bro, we have Ashton Hall,
Not even a
buddy.
game yet.
Ashton Hall.
Ashton Hall.